Welcome to lesson 3 of Complete Excel Learning course. We will make this data into this using conditional formatting. We will make Excel highlight important information using conditional formatting. Let's see how. Here our data, we are still in Home tab in the conditional formatting section. Let's see. We have monthly salary. Some of the salary ranges is low and for some employees the salary is high. Let's make it visually appealing. We will select this entire column. We will press on the first cell, then shift, control and down arrow key and your all range will be selected. Expand the conditional formatting and go to data bars. These are the data bars which will automatically adjust it as the bigger value, the larger will be the bar. You can select your color as per your choice. I am going with this green color. Press OK. And now you can see that we have got data bars on our salary values based on the large and small values. Now let me make it more clear to you. I'll sort data based on smallest to largest values. Click OK and now you can see that we have got smallest salary at the top and the largest salary at the bottom. Now you can see that how easily Excel is showing us their representation. Now we will make it largest to smallest and you can see that this is the effect of conditional formatting data bars. The next thing is color scales. It is also similar. Let's see what it makes the effect. Press shift, control, down arrow key to select the entire column. Then go to conditional formatting, select color scales. You can select color scale as of your choice. I am going to go with this one. And now let's understand how it is highlighting values for yellow, orange and red. Let's see. Click the entire range, then go to again, then more rules. Go to more rule to see what's behind it. And you can see that we are having two color scales. The minimum or the lowest value color will be this orange and the maximum highest value color will be yellow, and these values from lowest to highest value will go like this gradient color. You can change the maximum value color to green and now you can see that it will go like this. If you change the color to this one and it will go like this. You change color to this, it will go like this. Let's change this color to this. Press OK and now you can see that our lowest value color will be orange. The highest value color will be this color and values between will give you the shade accordingly. Now let's see how we can add icons to it. Similarly, wherever you want your conditional formatting, select that range, click on this first cell, then shift, control and down arrow key. Go to conditional formatting, go to icon sets. Here we will not select any icon, rather than we will go to more rules to understand what's happening behind. You can select icons of your choice. We will go with this basic one. Now let's see. We will put icon based on number because we have bonus and they are values in number. The highest bonus we have, it is 800. So we will select any value which is 800 and above will be represented by the green icon. Any value that is greater than and equal to 600 will be represented by the yellow. Any value that is less than, let's make it for 400. So any value less than 400 will be red. Click OK, and now you can see that 800 is green, 600 is yellow, and any value we selected 200 and below will be in the red. Now the next thing is that we have employee status. We have thousands of employees, and if you want to highlight only those employees that are on leave, we want to highlight the row of only employees who are on leave. Let's do it. Select the entire range, press shift, right arrow, and then control and down arrow to select the entire range, or you can select control A. It will select all the range. We will not use here, but just shift, control down key, and then keep pressing the shift and come to this end. We will go to conditional formatting and we will make new rule for us. New rule. Here we will give it a formula. Select this option, use formula to determine which cells to format. Click here, press equal sign, and click on this first cell of the status column, that is M3. Now press F4 to lock the rows only. It will come in this form: dollar, column name, and the cell number equals. We want to be highlighted, row to be highlighted for only employees that are on leave, and we will give a color to go in format section. Let's format. So any employee whose status will be on leave, his row will be highlighted as it is. Click OK, and now you can see that any employee whose status is on leave, his row is highlighted as yellow. Now let's make this employee on leave, and you can see that it is being highlighted. Now I will make this employee active. This formatting will go back. Now, so far we have applied conditional formatting. We have made a rule. Let's suppose you want to change the rule. Let's suppose you want to change the color. What we will do? We will come in the conditional formatting, go to manage rules, and here is our rule. Click on edit rule, where whatever you can do it, just go. This time I am going to select change the color. Press OK, and now apply, and our rule is changed. We have updated our rule. Also, if you want to remove all conditional formatting from your sheet, you can go to this option, clear rules from selected cell. Let's suppose you want to clear rule from only this area, and if you want to clear rule from your entire Excel sheet, click here and select this option, clear rule from entire sheet, and now all formatting is removed. You can press Ctrl Z to get back this formatting. That's all for today. In next lecture, we will be still using Home tab to complete the remaining options, and we will be applying some basic formulas. See you in the next one.